Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. Today we're doing something a little different. Instead of building an app, we're building an AI agent. Specifically, we're going to create what Base44 calls a super agent, a personal AI assistant that can connect to your tools, run tasks for you 24/7, and actually take action, not just chat with you. No coding required. Let's jump right in. Before we start, let's quickly cover what a super agent actually is. Unlike a regular chatbot that just answers questions, a super agent works proactively. You can tell it things like, scan my inbox overnight and send me a WhatsApp summary at 7 a.m. Or, when a new lead comes in, follow up within 10 minutes. And it will actually go do that, on a schedule, or triggered by real events. It connects to tools like Gmail, Google Calendar, Slack, Google Drive, WhatsApp, Telegram, and more. The best part? Everything is set up just by describing what you want in plain language. Head over to base44.com and click Start Building in the top right corner. If you don't already have an account, sign up. You can use your Google account or an email address to get started. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Base44 dashboard. From your dashboard, look for the Agents section, or go directly to the Get Your Super Agent button. Click it, and Base44 will open a fresh conversation window. This is where you'll actually build your agent, just by chatting with it. This is the most important step, so let's take our time here. In the chat box, describe your agent's job in plain, specific language. The more detail you give it, the better it performs. For example, you could type something like, every Friday at 5 p.m., pull this week's sales numbers and support tickets, summarize any trends, flag anything that needs attention, and send the report to Slack. Or, if you want something more personal, scan my inbox overnight, flag anything urgent, draft replies to the easy ones, and send me a WhatsApp summary at 7 a.m. with what you handled and what still needs me. Type your prompt and hit enter. Base44 will start building your agent's logic right away. Once your agent understands the task, it will likely ask you to connect the tools it needs. For example, your Gmail account, your Slack workspace, or your WhatsApp number. Just click Connect next to each one, and a browser window will pop up asking you to sign in and authorize access. Don't worry, your super agent is permission-based and sandboxed, meaning it can only access exactly what you allow it to, nothing more. Now that your agent is connected, go back to the chat and refine it. You can add extra rules, edge cases, or exceptions just by typing them out. For example, if there's no response after 3 days, follow up again with a different angle. Your agent will update its behavior on the fly. This is also a good time to run a quick test. Ask it to perform the task once manually so you can see exactly what it produces before letting it run on autopilot. Once you're happy with how your agent behaves, switch it to active. From here, it runs in the background 24/7, handling scheduled jobs, reacting to events in real time, and reaching out to you through WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, or wherever you told it to. And that's really it. No servers, no Docker, no config files, just a conversation. If you ever want to check in on your agent, adjust its instructions, or see what it's been doing, just head back to your Base44 dashboard and open the Super Agents tab. Every conversation and preference is remembered, so it keeps evolving the more you use it. That's everything you need to know about building an agent with Base44. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more.